Environment Ministers, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. We wish to share the actions and commitments that the Philippine government, through the Department of Environment and Natural Resources, is undertaking in accordance with UNEA 3 theme towards a pollution-free planet. Our top priorities under President Rodrigo Duterte's administration are clean air, clean water, solid waste management, and the National Greening Program. To reduce air pollution, most of which is caused by motor vehicles, we have imposed the use of cleaner fuels and stricter vehicle emission standards. In January 2018, only new vehicles that meet Euro 4 emission standards will be allowed to register with our Land Transportation Office. We have strengthened the monitoring of private emission testing centers and stationary sources of pollution. We are maintaining 39 real-time air quality monitoring stations, and in 2018, we will install 28 additional stations in urban centers outside Metro Manila. To reduce water pollution, we have signed more than 700 memoranda of agreement with the private sector for the periodic cleanup of estuaries. In 2018, we will target the adoption of 64 additional estuaries and intensify the cleanup of the historic Manila Bay, known for its beautiful sunset and its adjoining rivers. Aside from our regular ambient water quality monitoring of water bodies, we have launched a recreational waters monitoring program. This disclosure program involves more frequent monitoring of bathing beaches, such as those in the famous Boracay Island. We have designated 31 water quality management areas with our governing boards in order to protect the water bodies and their tributaries and to address water quality problems in the area. On solid waste management, to reduce the 40,000 tons of garbage per day generated nationwide, we are implementing the Ecological Solid Waste Management Act together with the local governments. This calls for waste segregation, the closure of open dumps, setting up of water recovery facilities, and construction of sanitary landfills. We provide technical assistance to local governments in the preparation of their 10-year solid waste management plans. We also support new technologies that will minimize pollution, such as waste-to-energy systems and waste water treatment facilities. It has contributed to the protection, rehabilitation, and management of the 8 million hectares out of 15 million hectares of total forest area of the country. In partnership with people's organizations, civil society organizations, the private sector, and other stakeholders, this program has generated more than 1 million jobs. We are expanding this program to cover the remaining denuded areas and provide sustainable livelihoods to upland communities. In order to enhance international cooperation, and as chair of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations for 2017, ASEAN's Golden Anniversary, the Philippines hosted several environment-related meetings. Foremost of these was the meeting of the ASEAN senior officials on environment, where several resolutions to reduce pollution were adopted. Also, as chair of the Asia-Pacific Regional Forum on Health and Environment, the Philippines led the forum with 2016 Manila Declaration highlighting the dire need for closer collaboration between environment and health sectors, and a 2017 joint resolution on health and environment submitted to UNEA 3. Lastly, as a member of UNEA, the Philippines stands firm in its commitment to support efforts towards a pollution-free planet